everyone, my name is Bansi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe and taking all the precautions that you need to be taking in this pandemic. Moving on to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 9 beauty uses of aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel, as we all know, is such an amazing and versatile ingredient to be used on our skin and on our hair, and I've been using aloe vera gel since as long as I can remember now, and it has worked wonders for me every time. By the way, I've made a similar video on beauty uses of rice water on my channel, so if you haven't already watched it, you should definitely give it a watch. I'll leave the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Before actually getting into the video, I just wanted to make this thing clear that if you're using natural aloe vera gel, then there's nothing better than if you're using aloe vera gel available in the market, then make sure that you're not using anything that has color to it, because we all know that aloe vera gel does not have any color to it, and if the brand is adding color to your aloe vera gel, then what not the brand might be adding to your aloe vera gel, right? And this is something that I personally feel, and I am personally bothered about this thing. If you are someone who is not bothered with the smell and the color, and the particular brand's aloe vera gel has given you good results, then go ahead and use it. But this is something that I feel, and I just wanted to keep it in this video. Beauty use number 1 is to use aloe vera gel in form of ice cubes. You guys know that I love using ice cubes on my face, and I come from an oily skin type family, and I've noticed that my face produces a lot less amount of oil when I use ice cubes than compared to when I don't use ice cubes. And aloe vera gel ice cubes helps you to treat acne and acne scars. It helps you in treating sunburns, and it also minimizes your pores. Beauty use number 2 is to use aloe vera gel as an anti-frizz serum. So just take a dollop of aloe vera gel in your hands and apply it all over your hair when your hair is wet. It will tame down all the frizz that you might be having and make your hair much more shinier, glossier and manageable. And you can also take a little bit of aloe vera gel and apply it on all the flyovers that you might be having, and it will stick those in its place and make your hairstyle look more presentable. Beauty use number 3 is to use aloe vera gel as a primer. So if you're someone who has just started on your makeup journey and you don't want to invest in a primer, then no need to worry. Just apply aloe vera gel all over your face, and it's gonna really hold all the makeup and foundation and concealer that you're gonna put on your face and make your makeup long lasting. Beauty use number 4 is to use aloe vera gel as a night cream. So for preparing this night cream, take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, add a pinch of turmeric into it, followed by 2 to 3 drops of glycerine, and your night cream is ready. When I used this night cream for the first time, trust me, I woke up with the best skin ever. Beauty use number 5 is to use aloe vera gel as a hair mask. So my go-to hair mask with aloe vera gel is mixing aloe vera gel, of course, with curd and coconut oil, and apply it on your hair and leave it on for at least half an hour. Then wash it with a shampoo followed by a conditioner. This mask never fails, trust me on that. Even if not DIY hair mask, you can always take a dollop of aloe vera gel and mix it in with any of your favorite hair mask and make your hair mask more nourishing and more beneficial for your hair. Plus, it has aloe vera gel in it, so it's gonna remove any of the dandruff that you have on your scalp. So, yeah. Beauty use use number 6 is to use aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. So if you're someone from oily skin type like me, then we need something that is more hydrating rather than moisturizing, because we already have so much of moisture on our face and we don't want to put more moisture on our face. So if you're someone who is looking for affordable yet good moisturizer, then aloe vera gel is a great option for you. Beauty use number 7 is to use aloe vera gel as an eye cream. So I already have a video about dark circles wherein I've showed you how to make an eye cream using aloe vera gel. So I'll link it in the description box below. Do check it out. Beauty use number 8 is to use aloe vera gel as a face mask. This is so basic but so effective. You can use it in any of the DIY masks, or again take a dollop of aloe vera gel and mix it in any of your face masks to make it more effective and more beneficial. Beauty use number 9 is to use aloe vera gel before shaving. So earlier I used to prefer to get my eyebrows threaded, but because of the lockdown I've started shaving my eyebrows and I use aloe vera gel before shaving, and it makes the whole process much more easier and smoother. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next video, bye!